officially on the train to Busan. I'm very excited. Everyone's got their little tout le jour haul. I got a sausage bun and also this walnut bread that looked really good. So I'm excited to try that out. And yeah, we'll see how long this train feels. It's gonna be about 2 hours and a bit. So excited to be by the beach. Are you excited, Lorraine?
Excited.
We officially made it to Busan and we're currently at Haeundae Beach, ready to eat some food. We're going to the market and what I really want is that fish cake stick where it's like swirling in the stick, and also some seed hotdog because that sounds really good right now. So how fun. First stop of the day, and the shrimp dumplings. This is the next. We got the chicken. Looks good. Garlic soy. This is literally so good. One thing I've been wanting to eat since I got to Korea, the seed hotdog. So let's try it. It's got a bunch of different seeds in there. As someone who loves seeds and loves that type of texture, this kind of seemed like up my alley. So this is pretty good. It feels better when you work hard. It's a little tired. How incredible. This is so cool. bills.
I've got plenty to wish for.
First time eating abalone.
Good? I've actually never seen it in the shell before.
Oh, this rice looks good.
Yeah, well, the rice is good. It smells good.
We just got to our Airbnb in Busan, and this Airbnb is crazy nice. We're only staying here for one night, but I wish we were staying for longer because this Airbnb is so good. This little entryway, lots of storage space, which I don't really need. You enter. We've got bedroom number 1. A nice size bed. Bedroom number 2. Another great size bed. A little, yeah, like a standing TV. A nice big table for us 3 girls. A nice kitchen. Look how crazy this water filter is. You can get boiling water and cold water straight from here. The bathroom is there, and literally a 3rd bedroom with another great size bed. It's crazy in here. Oh my gosh, Gurjit's room has a vanity. Oh my gosh, this goes hard. Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you can change the temperature of the light.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
Wow, I wish this was my own apartment. And then it has a hairdryer inside.
That's crazy.
This is a really nice place.
Really nice.
A bit of a shame that we're only staying here for one day, but we can make use of it. All right, it is day 2 in Busan, and right now we're currently taking the bus to Jimin's dad's cafe, which I'm excited to see.
I'm so excited.
But it's raining so hard today, so unfortunately we will be taking Ubers everywhere. At first when I saw it was raining, I was like, maybe it'll be a cute little rain. No. It's like proper pouring outside, so we'll see what happens today. Our flight's at 5 p.m. to Jeju, so fingers crossed the rain is done by then. Happy birthday, Jimin. They've literally got signed albums in here. Slay. This is like so cute. It's like cafe specific. Look at this. No, the hats are so cute.
So cute.
Yeah,
I
eh?
get the cat.
Look at all this.
Oh, I was gonna say they're only playing Jimin songs.
He said, sorry, we're gonna be solo stands.
Yeah.
Because that's my son.
Yeah.
Alright, I got the walnut bread, the cheese sausage, and an iced Americano. What did you get, Lauren?
I got a cheese sausage thing, and then Haedong black tea cake.
Oh, wait, that sounds so good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So. And then Earl Grey chocolate coffee latte.
Slay. Oh, that sounds so good.
I'm excited.
How do you feel to be in Jimin's dad's cafe, Lauren?
Amazing. I feel look at Jimin's face over there. Like
I know. This is so great.
so much memorabilia everywhere.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And then the logo's cute, so I'm gonna get that cat.
No, the cat is so cute. It's precious. But I do love fan culture in Korea, honestly. I'm like, it's so obnoxious in the best way possible.
I know.
So we're really living in it right now. All the merch is so cute. They got like everything in here. Nice. Let's go. Let's go, fans. Look at him. Look at him through this camera. Look at him. So scary. Made it to the Gamcheon Culture Village. Look who's here. Oh my gosh, guys, we met Jimin and Jungkook. Oh my gosh, there's more. They said hi to the little prince too. They did. It's so funny. I want to know what the history is between Busan and the Little Prince. Because why are they obsessed with the Little Prince here?
I have no idea. It's everywhere.
It's everywhere here. Well, everywhere as in this specific part of Busan. But truly, what is the history? And with that, our Busan leg is over. Off to Jeju we go. We made it to Jeju. Look how cute our baggage claim is. The island vibe is here. Are you ready to enjoy the Jeju island? Yes, I am. Guys, literally the funniest thing is happening to us in Jeju right now. We tried to go to a barbecue restaurant and the owner said he was closed, but he was like, oh, let me show you like, I don't know where he's taking us. Actually,
I don't know.
He was like, drive. And then he got into his car and then literally told us to like follow him in his car.
I'm like, he could be taking us anywhere.
He literally could be taking us anywhere. But we were like, you know what? Why not? Because he was showing us on the map like where to go and he was like, no, let me just show you. And he got into his car and was like, get in your car. This is so funny. This is so funny.
If it's us, we're in a car, we could drive away. I feel like we have to rate his restaurant.
Right?
I know. It's like I didn't eat here,
but the owner was so nice.
He took me to another one.
That's so funny.
I just can't believe we've ended up in this situation. And these damn fake speed bumps.
Yeah, right?
He
knows which ones are fake and which ones are real.
Yeah.
We made it to the destination. It is another barbecue place. I don't know. This is so funny. He was like, these guys want to eat barbecue? I'm gonna take them to a place that's open.
Yeah.
Alright gang, day one in Jeju today. And we're just getting some breakfast at Tulajor before we head out on our adventures. It's fairly cold on the island today, very windy. So, oh my gosh, I love the Tulajor ad because look at it. Kim So-yeon, he's so having a good time. He makes his bread look so good. Look at that. Like now I just want to eat it. Look back and wave. We're currently taking photos at the waterfall. It's very funny. As a city girl who does not trust her balance, we somehow made it out here. That's where the stairs are. We made it out here, y'all. We got our little orange hats. Yay! Look how cute we are. Look how many cats there are here. Hi. I really wanted to buy a cute plushie on this trip, and look. It's so cute. It has a little Jeju orange on it. How adorable. I'm gonna hold it like a baby now all day. It's really me and this little guy against the world. Look at him. He's my baby. It's so beautiful. See the hydrangeas. They're so pretty. Guys, look at the pigs. Look at the pigs. He's so cute. He's searching for something. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them over there. Look at them. They're all hustling. Oh my gosh, look at them. Shut up. Wave. We're trying to hike up this Seongsan Ilchulbong. Oh my god.
I think it's very clear which one of us is more outdoorsy.
The non-hikers of the group.
Non-hikers.
This terrain is crazy. Terrain, it's steps.
There's our home.
My god. Guys, we finally made it to the top. Look at it. Is this a crater?
I think so.
How does everyone feel? Yeah. Correct. This is my proof that I made it up on top of here. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Wave up. Hello. We are currently eating dinner at Haeundae, which is on the west side of the island, and they're known for their porridges, like seafood porridges, I think. We got 2 of these, and then we also got this seafood pancake right here. So let's see if it's as good as the people say. The food is officially here. It looks quite good. Yeah. Oh, this looks so good. We haven't really had a warm meal. This is kind of the perfect meal for like the temperature right now. Oh, very good. Go, go, go. vlog.